Today we're talking about the number one mistake small businesses make when they're searching for government contracts and how to fix it. All right, so here's the truth, right? Most small businesses searching for federal contracts are wasting their time chasing everything. All right, and if that's you, I'm going to show you the number one mistake that you're making and exactly how to fix it so that you can start chasing winnable contracts, not just what looks good on paper. So you guys know I work with business owners every day who tell me I can't find good opportunities or everything is too big for us. 9 times out of 10, guys, they're making this one fatal error. They're searching by keywords instead of by agency behavior. So let me break it down for you. When you go into SAM or when you use the search tool and you type in a generic keyword like IT services, cybersecurity, or janitorial, all right, you'll get overwhelmed with results, most of which are either too large, not set aside for small businesses, or just they may not align with your past performance. All right, so here's the fix. Flip your approach. All right, stop searching for contracts, but rather start researching agencies that already buy what you sell. Then you want to narrow down which one buys from small businesses like you, and you want to know how often they buy. So here's what to do today. You know, I like to give you homework. All right, so I want you to go to USAspending.gov. That's USAspending.gov. I want you to search by your NICS code or your PSC code. And then I want you to filter by agency and award type. Okay? So if you have to watch this video over, that's okay. Watch it over so that you can understand exactly what to do. So you're gonna filter by agency and award type. Then I want you guys to identify the top 3 agencies spending money in your niche. Then you need to dig into their past awards, their set-aside types, their contract sizes, and incumbents. Who won the last contract? Who are they? Now what you're doing, guys, is you're building a real strategy. You're focusing on buyers who already spend money in your lane instead of gambling with every opportunity, all right, that pops up. So when you shift from keyword-based searching to buyer-based targeting, your strategy gets clearer, your pipeline gets more focused, and your chances of winning goes way higher. So want help finding those buyers faster, or want me to walk you through your NICS code live? Drop NICS code help in the comments or message me. I've got a resource that makes this 10 times easier. All right, so guys, again, this is your girl, Dr. Melissa J. Williams. Live your best life doing what you love. You only have one life, and so you need to what? Remember to live it to its fullest. Stay healthy, happy, and God bless. And I will see you guys either in the next video or the next lesson. All right, bye for now.